Namaskar and welcome to my workshops for the Kolkata Municipal Corporation Building Department and the business growth. Uh, for these workshops, that is the main goal is to reduce the building sanction time and how to do that and what kinds of the strategy makings we require. So today that I want to talk about the immense potentiality of the business growth in the West Bengal, particularly in the real estate sector. As we all know that real estate industry is a significant contributor and to the state economy and the growth that has rippled the effect of the various other sectors. So, um, one of the major challenge in the industry, in fact, faces the lengthy process of the obtaining the sanction for the Kolkata Corporation. And according to the KMC portal, if you see the KMC portal in the EODB, that is the ease of the doing business, where the minimum average time required for any kinds of the sanctions, average time is the 50 days. So that um, our main goal how to reduce the sanction process and that is 15 days. I think the 15 days is enough time on the EODP portal to issue the sanction. And however, I strongly believe that the time frame can be reduced to the 15 days with some strategic changes. Actually, we need the key area for the improvement. There is one of is a streamlined documentations. First thing, the implementing the online portal for submitting and review the documents can significantly reduce the process the time if you make the proper documents for the sanction so that it can reduce the time. And we go the details discussion for that. And simplifying the approval process, okay, simplifying the approval reduce the number of the approval required. You know that for the big project that you have to get the fire NOC, ULC, urban land NOC, for airport authority, KIT. So many government sector. First you have to obtain the NOC, and then finally you have to put the building department portal so that after that you can get the final sanction. So that's simplifying the process. But the EODP ease of the doing business after using the UODP, I think that it can be reduced. It can be reduced the process. So they're reducing the number of the approval required and introducing the simple single window clearance system. But till now, if you go to the Kolkata Corporation portal, you cannot get that kinds of the facility, and system can be help the expedite the process. That what I am telling now, and increasing the transparency also. The transparency, the providing the real time update. You cannot get the real time updates in the Kolkata Corporation portal. Okay, so the providing the real time update on the application status and enabling the online tracking can improve the accountability. That is the main issue that I have that to find out. And enhancing the manpower. So manpower is the most important part, but is in the Kolkata Corporation. If you find out the different department, go to the different department. That is the manpower is very big the problems in the sanctioning portion. This is the increasing the number of the personnel handling the sanction applications can help clear the backlog and reduce the time. Okay, so by reducing the sanction time frame to 15 days, we can achieve that sector one the boost the investor confidence. Okay, so that the so many the foreign company they can invest in the West Bengal. They can invest West Bengal, but the scenario if you see the scenario of the law and order situation of the West Bengal, so that we are not getting the proper investor, okay, and increase the construction activity. So the quicker sanction will enable the construction project to the commence sooner and leading to the increased economy activity. So that is the very important point, and I will go to the details discussions regarding that matters today. That's the introductory section, and the last the coming 3 days that we will discussions the problems, and I'm also saying this video to the government sector also, and especially in the Mayor Kolkata, so that it may if you listen my workshop, so that I think there's some benefits that we can get, especially for the small scale and the medium scale industry. So the enhanced competitiveness, the more efficient sanction process will make the West Bengal real estate sector more competitive, attractive business and the talent. So to achieve this goal, it's essential for the government and the KMC to work closely with the industry stakeholder and adopting the collective approach to identify the area for the improvement and the implement necessary reform. So let's work together to unlock the potential of the West Bengal real estate sectors and drive business growth in the real estate. So now in the coming video that I will reveal the first section, that is the streamline the documentations, okay, and in this section first I will go the details discussions regarding the deed, the that is the only the legality of the owner. So what kinds of the problems actually arise, so that I will give you the some explanation, some thoughts. So those are the young engineers or the any person, those who are interested to set up their real estate business, I think that it will be help them lots. So please keep watching my the video, and please subscribe my the video, and if you just we want to uh, grow up a business, good business community. Thank you.